Hey there, welcome to my online course, How to Find, Apply for, and Land Your Next Remote Job in 2022. In this course, I'm going to be walking you through the entire process of number one, finding the remote job using remote job boards and LinkedIn. Number two, optimizing your resume so that it gets through this applicant tracking system that a lot of hiring managers and recruiters use to screen out qualified candidates. Number three, I'm going to be going into how to find freelancing gigs using Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancer.com. And then number four, I'm going to take you through the process of using PartnerStack, which is a really powerful platform that you can use to find affiliate programs from different companies all over the world. There's literally hundreds of them to choose from. This is a really great way to essentially generate passive income and sign up people to get paid a commission every month. A lot of these are recurring commissions. So if you're excited to learn more about everything that I've learned over the past 5 years working remotely, currently based in beautiful Thailand, please click to sign up for this course, and I'll see you inside.